Hi guys, welcome back to Eldica's Kitchen. Again, I'm your host, Lady M. While doing the pork spring rolls, my nephew, who's my cameraman, asked if I can do a shrimp spring roll. He likes shrimp. I've never done a shrimp spring roll, so this is my first time. The recipe would not be available until I write it down, so I'll let you know when this recipe is available. In this bowl, though, I have 25 freshwater shrimp that I've chopped up really finely. In this one, I have 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil just for a little oomph, and 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. For the dried spices, I have a half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of 5-spice seasoning, a 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme, and a half a teaspoon of fish seasoning. Fish seasoning you can find in most supermarkets. For my fresh herbs, I have some chives that I've picked from my garden. You could get it at any supermarket. A little bit of cilantro. I would say about a tablespoon of cilantro, and I would go with about a tablespoon of chive by the time I cut this up. I'm not using onions, but I'm using a shallot. So I'm using 1 small shallot, 2 red bird chili, 1 seasoning pepper, 2 cloves of garlic that I've grated, and about 1.5 teaspoons of ginger that I've grated. So I'm gonna put this all together. I'm gonna taste it and I'll let you know what it tastes like. So I'll be back. Hi guys. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap the shrimp spring roll same as you would wrap all the other ones, the pork, or if you use turkey. The only thing with the shrimp is that you have to give it, don't wrap it as tight as you would the pork, because there's no fat in the shrimp. So you have to be very, very gentle with it. So after frying and tasting and making sure all the flavors are great, I will write the recipe down. It's in my head. And you can change whatever you don't like in the recipe. This is just based on my palate and what I think I want in a shrimp spring roll. With me, I can taste my food before I actually bring it to the table, so I'm going with that. So I'm gonna finish wrapping these, and again, we'll come back when I'm frying them and we'll have a taste test. Hi guys, welcome back. Well, I have gotten 12 spring rolls from the 25 shrimp that I used. I have 6 in the pot frying, 6 left over to be fried. I'm gonna finish frying it and then we're gonna do a taste test. I'll let you know what it tastes like and if it's a recipe that I'll use or that I have to improve. But note that once I'm happy with the product, I will have a recipe available for you. Oh God. Oh my God. Devein? Oh my God. This is the winner. Try it. Hi guys, welcome back. This is the finished product, the shrimp spring roll that my nephew requested. I'm gonna cut into one so you can see what the texture is like inside. You can see all the fresh herbs, you see the beautiful shrimp in there. And I can tell you, we tried it. The flavors are amazing. Only one thing to keep in mind with these spring rolls, it only takes 3 minutes to fry. Again, with your oil being at 350. So I am definitely going to write this recipe, take it out of my head and put it on paper. And I will have it available to you. I'll let you know when the recipe is available. So thanks again for joining me, and thanks for, going with me on this crazy ride of doing shrimp spring roll on the spot for my nephew. I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy cooking, everyone.